Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can lock apps in your iOS 18. But I want you to note that guys, Apple doesn't offer a built-in app lock feature. But what you can do is with screen time and a few settings, you can effectively lock individual apps. Okay, so here's how you do this guys. So you enable screen time settings in settings. Okay, open settings and tap screen time. And then what you're going to do is turn on screen time if it's not already enabled. Then what you're going to do is you're going to set a screen time password. So tap use screen time passcode and set a 4-digit passcode. Then what you're going to do is you want to limit the app usage. So go to app limits and then under the screen time settings, you want to tap add limit. Then just select the app category or the specific app you want to lock and set the time to 1 minute. Okay, and once the time is up, the app will require the screen time passcode to open. Okay, and what you can do is you can restrict specific apps. So in settings, navigate to screen time and then click on always allowed. Remove the app from always allowed list to ensure that it's locked by screen time restrictions. All right, or what you can also do, you can use guided access for temporary locking. Just go to settings and then go to accessibility, go to guided access and toggle it on. Then you want to open the app you want to lock, triple click the side or home button, and then start the guided access to lock the app. So what you can do guys, by combining screen time and guided access, you can keep your app secure and your privacy intact guys. So I hope this video was of value to you. If it was guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.